Hi friends, my name is Fawn, and this is just going to be a real quick intro to this travel vlog. I am an artist first and foremost, but I love to travel, and any chance I can get to get out of town and definitely see the ocean, or the Gulf in this case, I try to take that chance. And I have also discovered this new hobby where you can go around to national parks in the United States and get your little passport stamped. I just started this year, I believe, and I've already got a couple of stamps, like literally just two. And yeah, that's my new thing now, and I'm having fun with it. And I've been really enjoying filling out my travel sketchbook. There's a nice little intro for you. Enjoy the travel vlog. Hi friends, I am on, let's see, this is 85 South, sort of in between Montgomery, Alabama and Mobile, Alabama. So I'm on my way to visit some of my cousins who are on vacation, you know, just hanging out for spring break. I thought I'd treat myself to a nice little getaway, so I'm driving down. It's about a 5-hour drive, and I'm just going to hang out with them and their kids and just kind of chill out on the beach and kind of just see where this weekend takes me. I've got plans to go elsewhere, and you know, you'll see that later. But for right now, just driving. Got a little bored, so I stopped at the rest stop just to like stretch my legs and change the scenery just a little bit. But I'm very excited, trying to not be in a hurry. The road is pretty crowded. I guess it really is spring break. Yeah, pretty crowded. Usually when I take this trip, it's pretty chill and, you know, like not too crowded, but like this time, man, wow. So spring break. Yee.
I'm trying to get it.
Grab them. Hurry up. Woo!
It ain't picture worthy until you done the crawfish.
No, baby.
Why do we eat them with eyeball?
You don't eat the eyeball, bro. Yeah, boys, ride the waves.
Everybody say right.
Looking for a shark. That's what we're looking for.
Good morning. It is 8 o'clock Central Time, maybe 9 o'clock Eastern. I mean, duh, it would be. I'm in a Holiday Inn Express in, where am I? Pensacola, Florida. And I just finished up hanging out with my cousins and their kids in Gulf Shores. And I wanted to take a day to sort of like travel by myself and chill out for a little bit. And I wanted to explore some, well, I guess a fort and a couple of things around Pensacola. And then I'll head back home and get ready for a work week. So I think I got quite a bit of sun yesterday, and I need to put on some sunscreen today since I'll be maybe spending a lot of time outside this morning. So let me do that. I've been trying to draw more on all of these little trips and stuff, and so check it out. And I'm a bit flushed. Just finished up walking around Fort Pickens. And something historical like this is not necessarily like my first go-to, but I'm glad I picked this to do today. It was really cool to like walk around and see the ruins and get some pretty cool drawing done. I did all the outlines right now, and I'm just gonna go home and work on the watercolor part of it then, because if I did the coloring in now, I'd be here for the rest of the entire day, and I'm kind of ready to go home. I need to get back to work, and you know, this is a nice little getaway for me. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye. Bye.